Welcome to Tiny Tots TV. Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there was a group of animal friends who lived in a beautiful forest. There was a rabbit, a squirrel, a fox, a deer, and a bear. They all loved to play together and explore their magical home. However, one day, they discovered that something was missing. They felt like they were not achieving anything or making any progress in their lives. One sunny day, they decided to have a picnic and discuss their concerns. The rabbit said, "I wish I could jump higher and run faster, like some of my cousins." The squirrel said, "I wish I could gather more nuts and fruits so that I could have enough food for the winter." The fox said, "I wish I could be more cunning and clever, like some of the other foxes." The deer said, "I wish I could run faster and be more graceful, like some of my friends." And the bear said, "I wish I could climb trees like some of my bear friends." The animals all agreed that they wanted to improve themselves and learn new things. They decided to set goals for themselves and work hard to achieve them. They made a plan to practice every day and help each other out. The rabbit started jumping over logs and running around the forest every day. The squirrel started practicing gathering nuts and fruits from different trees. The fox started reading books and learning new tricks to outsmart his prey. The deer started running and practicing her leaps and turns. And the bear started climbing trees and learning new techniques. Weeks went by, and the animals were making progress. The rabbit could jump higher and run faster than ever before. The squirrel had gathered enough nuts and fruits to last the winter. The fox had become wiser and more cunning than any other fox in the forest. The deer was the most graceful and fast animal in the forest, and the bear could climb any tree he wanted. The animals were overjoyed with their progress and felt proud of themselves. They had learned that by setting goals and working hard, they could achieve anything they wanted. They had also learned that helping each other out and practicing together was the key to success. The animals had a big celebration to mark their achievements. They danced and sang, and everyone had a great time. The animals knew that they would continue to learn new things and set new goals for themselves. They had learned the importance of motivation, hard work, and perseverance. And so, the animals continued to explore their magical home, knowing that they could achieve anything they wanted if they put their minds to it. As they continued their adventures, the animals encountered some new challenges. One day, a fierce storm blew through the forest, knocking down trees and causing chaos. The animals were scared and didn't know what to do. But then they remembered their previous experience of setting goals and working hard to achieve them. The rabbit suggested that they help each other clear the debris from the storm, and the squirrel suggested they gather nuts and fruits from the fallen trees before they rotted. The fox used his cleverness to create a shelter to protect them from the rain, and the deer used her grace to jump over fallen branches and trees. The bear used his strength to move fallen trees out of the way. Through their teamwork and determination, the animals were able to overcome the challenge of the storm. They felt proud of themselves once again and were grateful for their friendship and support. From then on, the animals faced many more challenges, but they never gave up. They learned to keep setting goals and working hard, no matter how difficult the task was. They also learned to support each other through tough times and celebrate each other's successes. Years went by, and the animals grew old. They often sat together, reminiscing about their adventures and achievements. They had all become the best versions of themselves, and they were grateful for the lessons they had learned. And so, the story of the animal friends became a legend in the forest. It was passed down from generation to generation, inspiring young animals to set goals and work hard to achieve them. The legend showed that no matter how big the challenge was, anything was possible with motivation, hard work, and perseverance.